Hello guys, so in this video, we are going to discuss the differentiation or the derivative of implicit functions. When we say implicit function, ito yung mga function na hindi mo madedefine si y in terms of x only. Katulad nito, kahit ano manipulate mo dyan, hindi mo ma-isolate si y sa x. Okay? So, yun po yung definition ng implicit. Okay? Same thing dito sa second function or equation. Implicit din siya kasi hindi mo mahihiwalay si y sa x. Okay? So, yan po yung i-derive natin in this topic. So, let's start. Ayan. So, for example, find the dy of dx if x cubed plus ln y minus x squared ey is equals to 0. So, simply lang, i-derive natin siya or i-differentiate natin siya per term. So, for example, x cubed. So, ito is magiging 3x squared dx. Okay? Plus, ln y is dy over y. Ito naman is product. Okay? X squared ey dy plus ey 2x dx equals 0. So, simplify natin. 3x squared dx plus dy over y minus x squared ey dy minus ey 2x dx equals to 0. Pagsamahin natin yung dy sa left and then pagsamahin natin yung dx sa right. So, dy over y minus x squared ey dy is equals to ey 2x dx minus 3x squared. Ihiwalay natin si dy kasi common naman siya sa first term and second term. So, this is 1 over y minus x squared ey dy is equals to, same thing dito, dx ito. Okay? So, ey 2x minus 3x squared dx. Okay? Hinahanap is dy over dx. Okay? So, pwedeng dy over dx. Binaba natin to. Ito yung lipat natin sa kabila. Ey 2x minus 3x squared all over 1 over y minus x squared ey. Simplify pa natin. Pwedeng dy over dx is equals to ey 2x minus 3x squared. Okay? Itaas natin si y. So, 1 minus x squared ey y. So, this could be our final answer. Okay? So, next, let's solve this one. If x cubed plus y squared is equals to sin x plus y, find dy over dx. Okay? So, ang pwede natin gawin dito is, ito, merong trig function to na sin theta plus phi is equivalent to sin theta, trig function to, trig cos phi plus cos theta sin phi. Okay, so apply natin siya dito. X cubed plus y squared is equals to sin theta cos phi plus cos theta. X and y pala. X, y, x, y. Ayan. Okay, so pwede na tayo mag-derive. Derive natin per term 3x squared dx plus 2y dy is equals to 1. This is product. So, sin x, derive natin to. This is negative sin y. Plus cos y, derive natin to. This is cos x. Wait lang. Dy ito. Sin y dy cos x dx. Okay. Plus, product din, copy si cos x, derive natin si sin y, that is positive cos y dy. Plus, copy natin si sin y, derive natin si cos x, negative sin x dx. Okay? So, simplify natin. 3x squared dx plus 2y dy is equals to negative sin x sin y dy plus cos y cos x dx plus cos x cos y dy minus sin y sin x dx. Okay. Pagsamahin natin si dy saka si dx. dy dito sa left. So, 2y dy plus sin y sin x dy sin y sin x dy ano pa ito din minus cos x cos y dy equals lahat ng dx dito sa kabila cos y cos x dx minus sin y sin x dx minus 3x squared dx. Kunin natin yung common. 2y plus sin y sin x minus cos x cos y dy is equals to cos y cos x minus sin y sin x minus 3x squared dx. So, dy over dx. Ito, meron tayong trig formula na cosine x plus y is equivalent to sin x sin y minus cos baliktad cos x plus y is equivalent to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, yan yung identity natin. So, dito, okay, since baliktad to, siyang 2y negative, labas natin yung negative. Okay, pag nilabas natin yung negative, ito magiging positive. Cos x, cos y, ito magiging negative. Sin y, sin x. Okay. Ganyan may itsura niya. dy is equals to cos y, cos x minus sin y, sin x minus 3x squared dx. So, dy over dx is equivalent to, ito is equivalent sa cos x plus y. Okay, ito ha. Ayan. Minus 3x squared. Okay. All over. Ito naman is 2y minus cos x plus y. Okay. So, dito rin galing. Ayan. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay. So, next, let's answer this. This is the last example for this topic. Y cubed plus y squared minus 5y minus x squared. So, derive natin per term. 3y squared dy plus 2y dy minus 5 dy minus 2x dx is equals to 0. Hanapin natin si dy dx. Paghiwalayin natin, 3y squared dy plus 2y dy minus 5 dy is equals to 2x dx. Okay? 3y squared plus 2y minus 5 dy. 2x dx. dy over dx is equivalent to 2x 3y squared plus 2y minus 5. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple ang pag-derive ng implicit function. So, thank you very much for watching.